Got the ride tinted so no one's gonna be able to see in the back of there 5%. Just got to get the rust fixed and send in the RP45 back. Don't know if you can hear that, but I believe it's got a leaking cap. Less than 5 hours of playtime. Oh, less than an hour of playtime. I don't even know why I said 5. But I called Skar. They answered on the first time I called. Very nice. Sent me a label. Gonna get it all packed up and sent in. So I am very impressed with their customer service. Let's see how this turns out and what the outcome of it is. My guess, it's just a leaky cap. They said it's covered under warranty. I don't think your $600 amp, brand new, less than 5 days old, should be making that noise, but we'll see what happens with Skar. You boys